Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. Have you ever wondered what's better, your fingers or a beauty blender to apply your foundation? I don't know. So I'm actually going to apply my foundation to half of my face with my fingers and half of my face with my beauty blender, and then check in later on today because it's going to be a very, very long day, and let you guys know which one held better. I am crossing my fingers. Both of them hold up good because I do use both methods, but I don't know. Let's go ahead and just dive into that video and see which one holds up. Okay guys, so I needed to turn on the camera so you guys can see this. I have no idea why, and I am completely 1000% shocked. If you can see my foundation, okay, I'm sweating like a dog because I'm getting everything ready in the car. Look at this. Why does it look like I'm sweating? So I don't sweat on one side of the face more than the other. Why is it that I'm sweating and you can see all my sweat and my shine so much more? Let me see. On this side of the face, you see this? Then you can on this side of the face. That is so freaky. Look at this. I mean, like, seriously. Like, I'm dripping in sweat. And you can see it. And then I turn on this side, and I have sweat. But nearly, like, oh my gosh. Like, you really don't see it as much as you do on the other side. It is literally, like, half of my face that is sweating more than the other. That is so freaky. Okay guys, so I've been sitting in the air condition for the last few minutes getting to the tournament that we're playing. But if I'm actually looking at my makeup, this side of my face where I sweat my butt off on, they look very similar, right? But when you get really, really close up, this side of my face is almost like some portions of the foundation almost like came up and became a tad bit cakey. Not very visual to the eye, but if you got super, super close and compared it, yes. And that was only one time in the heat, like picking up some heavy stuff, putting it in the car, sweating, and that is absolutely mind freaking blowing. And the reason that I would actually say maybe the beauty blender works better is because maybe the beauty blender is actually patting it down and putting it like a shield, like a layer, an even layer, and with your fingers you're just kind of rubbing, and maybe you're breaking down some of those particles. I can't really tell you why. All I know is, like, I'm freaking out because I had no idea, and I can guarantee you probably like 90% of you guys had no idea that a beauty blender would actually stop you from producing oil, looking like you're sweating more, and making your skin, I mean, the beauty blender is just going to make your skin look like more like intact, more flawless, versus using your finger. You're going to look oily, greasy, sweaty, and yucky. I cannot freaking believe this. You guys let me know. Did you know this? Are you 10% of the population who knew this? Because I had no freaking idea. I will post my beauty blender down below. It's just a regular beauty blender, nothing special about it. But I would recommend 1001% using a beauty blender and not your fingers. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button, the little like button, and the little bell by the subscribe button. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.